Hello, let us calculate the age of individuals using Excel. Now we know that calculating age is simply this year minus the year of your birth. So most time we don't take the day or the month into consideration. So you get here somebody was born in 2024 and this is 2026. We just conclude that it is 2 years. So we are doing 2026 minus the year of his birth. Whether he was born in February, March, that is actually not considered in most cases. So I have these days and I want to include their years here. So I'm going to say this year minus the year there, and there each one has a year. Here we have 1998, here we have 1992. So I'm going to say year now give me this particular year. So I'm going to subtract that from the year in this particular date. Now, all I need to do is to add that, maybe just say year. Let me put a drop there and say yes. Okay. And I hit my enter key. So it's telling me this person is 28 years, and all I need to do is just to filter down, and I've gotten all the years. Very simple with the formula year now minus year in the other date, which is the date of birth. I just added years to complete it. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.